In today's video, I am making a shrimp Caesar salad, and I am making the dressing from scratch, y'all. Yes, y'all heard me, from scratch. Without further ado, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. First off, I'm starting off by cutting up about, I'd say about 2.5 cloves of garlic. Then I am going in with this lemon, and I'm going to cut her in half. And then I'm going to wash my lettuce with my veggie/fruit wash. I want to make sure all that grit and grime is off the lettuce because y'all know lettuce obviously grows in the ground. So I'm just rinsing that off very thorough. Then I'm going to put my lettuce in a strainer, and I'm just going to strain all that water off that lettuce. Next up, I am cutting up my lettuce. Y'all don't have to do this, but I do this step because it just makes it easier for me to eat my salad. But you can keep them in big stalks like you've seen before I had ended up cutting them. Now I'm going in with the anchovy paste. Yeah, y'all, anchovy paste. Or you can use the anchovy fillets. I use this paste just because it's so much easier. Then I'm going in with the garlic that I chopped up, as well as 3 eggs, 3 raw eggs at that. And I'm just going to combine all those ingredients in a blender together. And now I'm going to add that half of a lemon. Make sure your hand is underneath or you have a lemon like squeezer thing just to catch the seeds so your seeds don't get inside the dressing. Now I'm going to add a half of a cup of olive oil. This is going to thicken your dressing and give you that thicker consistency. And then I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. This is the final step. After my dressing is done, I'm actually going to pat my shrimp dry just to make sure all that water, excess water, is off the shrimp before I season it. And then I'm going to go in with the Slap Your Mama original seasoning. And then onion powder. And then paprika, smoked paprika to be exact. And then garlic powder. And a little bit of oil just so that the shrimp could adhere to the seasoning that I put in there. And I'm just going to mix all that up. After that, I've already, obviously you can see, I put my oil inside my pan. I'm just going to cook my shrimp for about a minute. Y'all, I can't stand seeing people overcook their shrimp. Y'all, the shrimp does not need to be cooked to death, okay? And then I'm going to sprinkle my shrimp with parsley flakes. You know, it just looks so pretty. Now I'm going to assemble my salad. So I'm going to place my lettuce that I had strained inside a plastic container. And I'm going to add my dressing that I just made. And then a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there. And then I'm going to just shake this all up just to coat all the lettuce in there. You can do this in a bowl too, you know, mix it up. But I feel like doing this way just makes it so much more easier and efficient. Now I'm assembling the salad, you know, and then, ooh, here comes the stars, the shrimp, y'all. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The salad was super easy to make. I hope you guys make it. Let me know. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.